another coding ASMR video. Today, I'll teach you how to use LooseLeaf IDE. It's a new IDE for coding. It's just been newly released and has some really cool features, including pencil, IntelliSense, as well as eraser extension. So it's pretty cool. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. So it's been loaded. So this was the loading screen. You could see the LooseLeaf logo. It's pretty cool. Less Decrement. So that's the symbol for LooseLeaf. And here we go. So first things first. This IDE has no line numbers, so let's fill it out. By the way, I'm coding in Java, so yeah. So these are the line numbers. So that's the first component of LooseLeaf. They don't give you any line numbers, and yeah, that's the first thing that I've noticed. So let's make a class called main. Public class main. So here we go, main class. You can see that the handwriting is not that best because it uses, there's only one setting for the font, which is hand font. So public class main. And I'm gonna write the main method for now. And this is the main method, and I ran out of space, so that's the second thing I've noticed. Let's write our brackets, and let's leave that class for now. So let's create a new file. So I'm gonna name my new class, this is a main class, by the way, so this is main.java, and I'll make another class. So let's write a new class called fish. So let's make a new class called fish. So fish.java, and once again there's no line numbers, so line numbers, so yeah. So yeah, fish.java, and let's write it public class fish. Let's make our brackets. And what should our fields be? So let's make it a name. So private string name, private color. Oh no, let's not do int for now. Age. And let's make a constructor. So let's do this. Private fish. Wait, no. It should not be private. It should be public, but there's no autocomplete, so that's the thing. There's no autocomplete in this IDE, so I'm going to download the eraser extension. So here we go. This is the eraser extension. It's pretty cool. It removes lines and words of code. And here we go. Public fish. And it's given a parameter, string, name, and age. Let's make it like that. This dot name equals name. Like that. And this dot age equals age. I'm trying to write big, or type big, but there's no settings for font size, so that's another key feature of LooseLeaf. And let's make a method to getter. Oh no, let's not do getters. Let's do a method called say hi. Once again, I try to do private, but it's not. It should be public. So I'm gonna pull up my eraser extension and erase it. And so forth. Let's do public. I type really messy though. Once again, there's no settings for font. It's only hand font. So public void say hi. And let's write this method will be MTM because I don't know what to say. Say something. So, yeah. So this class is finished. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my main class. So let's go back to the main class. And I'm going to move my brackets. So let's do that. And to be honest with you, I'm not going to care about the line numbers anymore. I could write as big as I can. And let's make an array list of fish. No, let's not do that. Let's type fish. Let's make just a fish object. So fish, my fish equals new fish. And once again, there's no autocomplete. So there's no any suggestions because there's no IntelliSense. The only thing that exists in LooseLeaf is pencil IntelliSense and eraser extension. So let's pretend this is the same line because yeah. Let's do April. Let's set April to the name and 1 as the age because it's in years. And what I'll do is I'm gonna call the say hi method my fish dot say hi. So this is my method call. And I'm gonna try to run it. Let's do it. Let's test it, shall we? So, where's the run button? Where is the run button? I have no clue. I have no clue. There is no run button because you cannot even run your code. And by the way, this should have been capital, and it did not show there's no compiler error saying that there's no method of that defined because it is case sensitive. Whereas in the fish class, say hi, it is caps here. The H is capitalized. By the way, excuse me of my type font. This is the only font I have. I write really messy because I am standing while I'm coding on paper. So this is not the ideal IDE you would like to run. So let's do something. You can't even run your code. So let's just fix that for now in the main class. And yeah. So let's create our comment, a documentation comment. Pretend that it is not. It is on the top. So let's do this. So let's fix something here. So I'm going to replace a to do with my eraser extension. And let's write something out. So this is the method that the fish will say. So let's try to call it my fish let's say hi. And let's run it. Let's pretend that there is a run button. So let's do it. Let's run it. So let's execute that, and here we go. Output. And there we go. Here is the output. So as you can see, I ran my program on LooseLeaf IDE. I tried to formulate it, and look, we got our result. So no compiler error, no runtime error, and here is the result. So this is a glimpse on how to use LooseLeaf IDE. Hint, this IDE is really good for tests and nothing else. So there you go. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't use an IDE like this. This IDE is very good only for tests. So I wish you guys a happy April Fool's Day, and I'll see you in the next Real Coding ASMR video.